皆さん、こんにちは。またインドからスカントです。Hello everyone, I'm Sukanta, your free Japanese language tutor. So I think you are doing well with Japanese language study. See, already the May month has been started, right? So we have less time to complete JLPT full syllabus. So please study by yourself, study hard, and at least spend 1 to 2 hours daily. Dedication is really important, right? So आप सारे कोशिश करिए अच्छे से पढ़ने की और कम से कम दिन में 2 घंटा पढ़ने की कोशिश करिए, तो ये आपके लिए अच्छा होगा। 2 घंटा स्पेंड करने में आपका सारा कांजी और आपका जितने भी ग्रामर, अगर आप प्रीवियस वीडियो में जाओगे तो वहाँ पे मैंने सारा प्रीवियस मतलब रिलेवेंट ग्रामर और वर्ड लिस्ट भी ऐड कर दिया है, तो वहाँ से आप सारा ग्रामर अच्छे से कर सकते हो। ठीक है, सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू विदाउट वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम. We should continue. Okay, so focus on the board. Today we will learn some easy and basic kanji. These kanjis are really relevant and very useful kanji. Actually, not only in JLPT N5, it's really required for N4, N3, N2 and N1. Actually, it is normally daily uses kanji in your reading passage also. In your reading passage also, this much kanji will come. Okay, so if you are okay to complete all this kanji, then it will be great easy to understand. So 続いてですね、この間も一つのストーリーを話しながら説明しながら文章とか文法とかの説明もしたんですけれども、今回もちょっとそのストーリーという流れでまた説明いたします。皆さんよろしくお願いいたします。で、So, as I've already explained our story that you and your friend visited shopping mall and you have done shopping there, lots of t-shirts, then after you have eaten food over there. So, with this story again, I'm explaining this kanji. Today, I'll explain this kanji and some words relevant to these words I'll explain. Okay? So here, as you can see over there this is taberu kanji. Okay, taberu means to eat. जब आप रेस्टोरेंट में आए, मतलब शॉपिंग करने के बाद रेस्टोरेंट में आए, यू केम रेस्टोरेंट फॉर योर फूड. ओके, आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग योर शॉपिंग यू आर ईटिंग योर फूड. ओके, सो काईमोनो ओ शिते कारा ने काईमोनो शिते कारा नॉर्मली 買い物してからレストランでご飯を食べに行きました。Okay, so 食べに行きました for eating. Okay, so ご飯を食べています。Currently I am eating. ています is continuous tense, present continuous tense. This is 食べるkanji. Okay.As you can see over there, this is taberu means eating. Taberu, this is by hiragana, right? Taberu means eat. तो अगर आप खाना खा रहे हो, मतलब you are eating, right? So only we are not eating something. With together we are drinking something, right? We are drinking as well, right? So खाना खाने के साथ साथ हम लोग कुछ पीते भी है. So this is nomu. This is nomu kanji. Okay.So as you can see the similar stroke of order taberu and taberu, only the single stroke, this stroke is not here and added this, only this will be added over there, this single one added over there. This is nomu means drink, nomu means to drink. Okay, so आपका खाना हो गया, पीना भी हो गया. Okay, so you have completed your food and your drinking. Okay.Whatever means lassi, chai or pani, maybe. Okay, so water or lassi or chai, whatever you have completed your food over there, right? Means eating and drinking has been completed. Then you have decided to visit a park or nearby area. There you have found a stone, big stone. Okay.A big stone over there means आपका वहां पे जाके बड़ा सा एक पत्थर दिखा आपके और आपके दोस्त को. So this is isi, as you can see over there, like this. Isi means stone. So I'm pasting all the kanjis and all the relevant word list. These words are also very essential words, so it will come in your JLPT exam. So please remember all this and please practice. Okay. So isi ga miemashita. Isi ga miemashita over there, right? So it is, the stone is visible over there, right? The big stone. So जहाँ पे पत्थर है, फिर आप क्या थोड़ा दूर देखें, थोड़ा दूर देखें. You are watching a little bit far, so over there you can find a big lots of stone over there, right? Okay, lots of stone means iwa, means rock. Big stone or lots of stone, it's called rock, right? So this is iwa. Iwa kanji is same. Lots of stone means it seems like, yes, mountain. It seems like mountain. The mountain kanji is, as you know, the mountain kanji is like this, right? The mountain kanji. Again, I am drawing the mountain kanji over there. So this is simple, very easy stroke. This and this. Okay, so like this. This is mountain. Okay, this is mountain. Mountain means yama. Yama means mountain. And below over there, same like this and this kanji. Okay, so like this, as you can see, the yama kanji will be little small. For your easy reference and easy understanding, I draw it a little bit large. Okay, so yama and isi, it's called iwa. Iwa means rock. Okay, iwa means rock. This is iwa. Iwa means rock. Okay, as you can see. So please take the note, all the word list, so it will be helpful for your JLPT exam, whatever level you are appearing for. So for all the level, it will be very helpful. This is very easy kanji. For JLPT N5, N4 or N3, it will be very useful kanjis. Okay, and another level also. So ये आप अपना वर्ड लिस्ट में ये नोट कर लीजिए और वर्ड प्रैक्टिस करिए रोज. ओके, सो रोज प्रैक्टिस करिए, आराम से हो जाएगा आपका. तो नंबर 5, दिस इज हनासु. दिस इज हनासु मीन्स टॉक. हनासु मीन्स टॉक. तो वहाँ पे आपको पहाड़ दिख गया, पत्थर दिख गया, और आप अपने दोस्त के साथ फिर से बातें कर रहे हो रिगार्डिंग दिस की दिस इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एरिया, द माउंटेन इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, लाइक दिस. सो यू आर टॉकिंग. टॉकिंग मीन्स दिस इज हनासु. हनासु मीन्स yes. So tomodachi to issho ni kesiki. Kesiki means landscape. Kesiki ni tsuite, yes, hanashite imasu. Tomodachi to issho ni kesiki ni tsuite hanashite imasu. Ni tsuite is regarding or about. Kesiki ni tsuite. Kesiki means landscape or area. Kesiki ni tsuite hanashite imasu. Hanashite imasu means continuously talking. Currently talking means yes. This is present continuous tense. Okay. Hanashite imasu. The sentence over there. So this is hanasu kanji is also very easy, like this, like this. One is like this and big stroke, two same stroke like this. Okay. And this is like, yes, like this. Okay. So this is very easy way of kanji. With the similar kanji is like, this is go. Go means, this is go kanji. Basically this kanji normally never use a single kanji. Always it is using with another kanji. For example, okay, if you add this go, I am basically Bengali person. Okay, so Bengarugo means Bengali language. English, what it's called English language, eigo means English language. Okay, eigo means English language, right? Eigo. So what about Japanese? That is like this. If I draw a kanji like, and this is Nihongo. This is called Nihongo. Nihongo means Japanese language. Okay, so Nihongo means Japanese language. After any language, if you add go, this kanji, so it will become this language. Okay, Spain go. Okay, Deutsch go means Germany. Spain go means Spanish. Bengaru go means Bengali. Hindi go means Hindi. Eigo means English. Nihongo means Japanese. So this language. Japanese language, Bengali language, Hindi language, English language like this. Okay, so I think it will be helpful for to identify all these similar. Okay, so here, okay, let me change my yes. Okay, and this is तो वहाँ पे आपने अपने दोस्त के साथ बात किया, बहुत सारा बात होने के बाद आप फिर से वापस आ गए घर, ठीक है, अपने दोस्त के साथ ही आए, ठीक है, तो घर पे आके आप दोनों मिलके ग्रुप स्टडी कर रहे हो. ओके, यू आर स्टडिंग टुगेदर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, you are studying together with your friends, you are doing group study. Okay, so reading means you are reading something, or you are reading a Japanese book, you are reading a Japanese book, for example. So nihongo o benkyou shite imasu, nihongo o benkyou shite imasu. This is normally benkyou means study. Okay, and now Japanese book, I am reading Japanese book. तो क्या होगा, निहोंगो नो होन, निहोंगो मीन्स जापानीज लैंग्वेज का, बिलोंग्स टू जापानीज लैंग्वेज बुक. ओके, निहोंगो नो होन ओ योंदे इमास, योंदे, योमु मीन्स रीड, सो योंदे इमास मीन्स प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, योंदे इमास. So this is yomu kanji. As you can see over there, this is similar stroke with another, right? Hanasu, go, and this yomu. This is the similar stroke. Okay, please you have to remember this only, this one. But this is a single kanji, right? This is a single kanji, like very simple, like this, and you can draw like this and like this. So like this. So this is very easy way to remember. The difference is the next one. The next one is the difference, but another one is very similar. The first part of kanji is very similar, but this is together. It's a single kanji. Yomu means yes. Yomu means read. Okay. So the next kanji is kaku. आप पढ़ भी रहे हो, पढ़ाई भी कर रहे हो, और you are writing as well. Okay. You are means reading and writing togetherly. So with your along with your friends, you are doing study. It means reading and writing both. So this is kaku. This is also a very similar kanji, as you can see over there. This is kaku. Kaku means writing. So आप पढ़ाई भी कर रहे हो और लिख भी रहे हो. This is kaku kanji. This is draw like this, okay, and this, and this. Whatever the way, means no need to follow the stroke of order. Please, you can prepare your own stroke of order. You can please prepare your own stroke of order. Remember. So please remember. Prepare your own way to remember. No need to follow the stroke of order of writing. Okay, so like this. Okay, and this is kaku. Kaku means writing. So after that, you are maybe after that again you have visited another place. Maybe okay, along with your friends, you have visited another place. अपने दोस्त के साथ कहीं और गए हो घूमने के लिए. तो वहाँ पे जाके आपने देखा तालाब है, एक तालाब में मछली दिख रहा है. सो また別のところへ行って池を見えました。You are watching a pond. So over there, so you have found some fishes. Over there you are watching some fish. Fish is साकाना जो पानी में रहता है. देखो ये पानी के झरने जैसा है. It seems like shower, right? It seems like shower, the toilet shower like this. And this is साकाना means एक जगह पे है. ये तो हो गया आपका ता means फील्ड का कांजी. I hope you remember ना ता. Okay, let me explain again. So this is kuchi, mouth, right? This is kuchi means mouth. If you add the plus over there, it will become ta, right? It will become ta. Yes. And if you add this and this and like this, so what will become? It will become sakana. Sakana means fish. Basically, I love to eat fishes. I love to eat fish. So with this sentence, sakana no ryori wa daisuki desu. Sakana no ryori wa daisuki desu. Or I love fish. Sakana wa daisuki desu. 魚は大好きです。食べるのが美味しいね、本当に。So, this is वहाँ पे आपने मछली देख लिया और ऊपर देख रहे हैं कि पेड़ में एक पक्षी भी बैठा हुआ है. The birds is sitting on the tree. The birds is sitting on the tree. Lots of birds, as you can say. Lots of birds is sitting on the tree. So, birds is tori. Tori means bird. This is tori. It is also a similar kanji. Like very very simple. Like this, and this, and like. So this is called tori. Tori means bird. Tori means bird. Okay. So okay. So ki no ue ni, ki means tree. Ki no ue ni tori ga suwatte imasu. So on the tree, a bird is sitting over there. Okay. Ki no ue ni tori ga sunde imasu, like this, or suwatte imasu. So like this you can prepare the sentence. Sora means sky. Sora ni tori ga, yes, tonde imasu, is flying, right? So like this, and the number 11 kanji is, वहाँ पे आपने देखा मछली भी देख लिया और बर्ड्स भी देख लिया. तो उसके बाद हमने रास्ते से देख लिया कि घोड़ा जा रहा है. You are watching that a horse is walking on the road. A horse is walking on the road. Okay, a horse is walking on the road means uma ga michi de aruite imasu. Michi means street. Aruku means to walk. Aruite imasu means present continuous tense. Uma ga michi de aruite imasu. A horse is walking on the road. This is horse. This is, don't you feel that this kind of similar kanji? This it's the similar stroke of water is there. It's like sour, like this. Okay, the similar kanji is there. So all three are similar kanji. Okay, so uma means horse. So take all the word list as well. So it will be very useful word list for you. So another word is neko means yes, neko means cat. Inu means dog. Yes, so please keep all the word list. Okay, so after that, after a certain time, you are watching that the horse is drinking water. The horse is drinking water means while walking, maybe the horse is feeling tired. So ये घोड़ा थक गया होगा तो पानी पी रहा है. Okay, so ये हो गया मीजू का कांजी. मीजू means water. मीजू का ओनियोमी है सुई. Okay, so it's also very simple, like this and like this. This is जैसे पानी क्या रहता है, पानी ऊपर से गिरता है तो ऐसे चला जाता है ना साइड में. ये देखो ये दो स्ट्रोक जो है ऐसे बह जाता है पानी. इट्स फ्लोइंग लाइक दिस, राइट? सो द रेन वाटर कमिंग फ्रॉम टॉप, कमिंग फ्रॉम स्काई, एंड इट्स फ्लोइंग लाइक दिस. It's flowing like this. So this is rain. This is mizu. Mizu means normally water. Okay, mizu means water. So keep all this word list together, and as you know that I have already prepared JLPT N5 and JLPT N4 all the kanji MCQ shorts. So shorts playlist as well. So below you can find the playlist. So visit my channel, and from there you can easily find all the playlist, kanji playlist. And this will be very easy to remember. Okay, over there the MCQ question and the answer I have pasted over there. So please watch the kanji for your easy reference. So I think that will be very easy for you. Okay, so आज का वीडियो भी यहीं तक. तो ये सारा kanji आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए और नोट लेके आराम से पढ़िए. ठीक है? So like this.